Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Amazon SageMaker Autopilot for tabular modeling step by step clearly. Open the Amazon SageMaker console. In the console, navigate to the SageMaker Studio section. Select Create Notebook. Choose your desired instance type. Ensure the SageMaker Studio environment is selected. Click on Create. Once the environment is ready, open SageMaker Studio. On the left sidebar, click on Data. Next, select Create Dataset. Choose the source of your tabular data. If using Amazon S3, input the S3 path to your dataset. Confirm that the dataset is formatted correctly. Click on Next to proceed. Now, navigate back to the main SageMaker Studio interface. Select Autopilot from the left sidebar. Click on Create AutoML Job. Provide a name for your AutoML job. Select the dataset you just created. Specify the target column you aim to predict. Choose the appropriate data type for your target column. Set any additional configurations as needed. Review your settings and click on Create. SageMaker Autopilot will begin analyzing your dataset. Monitor the progress in the Jobs section. Once the job is complete, you will receive a notification. Click on the job to view the results. Explore the various models and evaluations presented. Select the model that best fits your requirements. Finally, you can deploy the selected model for predictions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.